Uy, someone is inside the box. So, maliit na yan. Kaya, nag-unboxing si Daddy. Mahal. Look guys, look at my calamansi. They are inside the house. My house is so messy because of the leaves. This is Joshua's favorite. Ang daming bunga, grabe oh. Tadaan! Ang mga bunga, ang dami. Yan, ang daming bunga oh. Hanggang doon sa taas. Ang cute. Ang cute. Aray ko naman, Joshua, nananabunot ka naman. Ito, lemon. Ayan, avocado. Mangga ba yan? Mangga.
Hey, you like that box, huh? Because you're a cat. That's what cats do.
Okay. Ito, lemongrass. Sili. Ang lit-lit. Ang daming bunga. Ay, ito ay bunsoy. Punsoy. Ito ay grapefruit. At malunggay. And bell pepper. Nandito sa loob ng bahay kasi malamig. Mamamatay na sila. Nagbibideo ako guys. Hawak-hawak ko si Joshua. May kalbo. Hello, may kalbo. May kalbo. May kalbo sa ilalim ng tulay.
Cut this without cutting myself.
Ang daming bunga ang tataba.
There it goes.
Calamansi pa more. Joshua naman. Aabot na naman.
Cat.
Nagsiset up siya. May pusa. He love boxes. Hi, Archie. Say hi.
We finished all the bread? Yes, we did. Good job.
Hanggang sa ilalim, guys. Oh, may bunga. Sa ilalim ng puno. Ayun o. Ang daming bunga.
Look at that baby.
Ang dami ng bunga. Nakakatuwa. Abundant blessing yan. Abundant. Ay! Misay! Ay! Ay, mosquito ba yan? Teka. Last niyang gamit yan. Last na yan. Kasi ito na ang gagamitin niya next. Ayan. Baliktad. It's 5-in-1 until he is 5 years old. Guess. That one har brawler. Yes, good thing we get the one that have. Makain na si Joshua. At this moment, we're going to make his food. This is apple and banana. And he is waiting. Say mama. Mama. Old. Jungle.
Top rear legs. No, that's what they said.
He's excited with his new high chair.
Boom.
Yeah.
Boom. And what's the other part? You didn't snap and crack into place. Don't lie to me. You're supposed to make a drop.
Ma! You look so dirty. Where's Daddy? Wow.
Yeah.
No, you're gonna get lots of
Ow.
food.
Ow. Thanks for getting all the white hairs out of my beard. Do I look younger?
Baliw.
Oh, cut that off after. Good.
Daddy, come on, pull the butt cheek.
So that's the furthest out it goes.
What? Still tight though? What in the world? Really? There's no extension?
You can make it go in. No, this is as far as it goes. And then this. That would be right up.
Maybe you can push it a little bit because there's more space here.
Well, this reclines.
Oh. There you go. Ito pala guys ang nabili kong kulay tae. Yan siya, hanggang toddler. Yes. And ayan na si Mr. Joshua. Para na siyang senior. Ay, ang kalat-kalat. I'm cooking and making food, and of course most sweet pans kasi ang lamig. You like it? Goodbye. Wow, pwede itulak si Joshua. Ba. Whoop! Whoop! May gulong. Gusto niya yan. Mas malaki. Hindi ba abot ang paa? Senyor Kalbo. Naglalaro lang siya habang nagwawalis si Mami. Josh, say hi to Mama. Ba. Ba, gusto mo pang kunin yung walis, ha? That small one's going to the Philippines. Giveaway. Ganyan yan, may cover siya sa harap. Senyor Kalbo. Ah. Love to sleep when there's music. Mickey is watching Joshua. Mommy's cooking.